Michael Negro from Infinity Energy Solutions. I just wanted to talk to you about the house. We have done ducted system upstairs. It was a 4-bedroom home and it's on the top level. We use R1 rated flexible ducting. We use an oversized return air grill, so therefore the unit's not starving for airflow and it has a lot of space to draw from. Our zone motors are 24 volt zone motors. We use a Daikin one-touch keypad, so you're able to turn your aircon on and off, temperature up and down, and your zones on and off from the one keypad. We use 10-inch supply air duct to all our ducts to our rooms. As it's quieter, you're getting more air volume rather than velocity. All of our ducting in the roof gets ribboned up into position to help maintain perfect airflow all the way from the indoor unit through to your supply air grill in your room. That's the Infinity difference.